What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing, giving my first impressions of the Amazon Fire HD8 2024. Now, this is the 12th edition of it. Right now, you can pick this up at Best Buy for $54.99. It normally runs about $100, so you're getting quite a bit off right there. So this would be good, great stocking stuffers for Christmas. And I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So I picked up the 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage version, but it also comes in 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. So, like I said, I'll leave the product purchase link down below. So here's the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, they always have a nice, beautiful color orange box that they have. Fire HD8 is telling you that this has 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage right there. And then on the side, you got the, Fire 8 HD. And then on the back of it, it's going to let you know that this is good for play, watch, listen, read, and connect. That's all you're going to be able to do with these tablets. Play a few games, watch some movies, listen to some music, read books, and connect on social media. So this has an 8-inch LCD HD display. The resolution is 1280 by 800. Has a hecta-core processor. This is the MediaTek MT8169A processor with the 3 gigabytes of RAM. The older ones used to come with 2 gigabytes, so I'm curious to see how this one will perform. You get front and rear cameras. So the rear camera is going to be a 5 megapixel camera that can shoot 1080p. The front camera is a 2 megapixel that can shoot 720p. You got a micro SD card slot that you can use a card up to 1 terabyte. You're going to have hand-free Alexa, long-lasting battery life. Now, the battery life is supposed to be up to 13 hours, and it's going to take, the thing about it, it takes 5 hours to charge it. So that's, that's kind of a long time. So this is running Fire OS 8.3. Comes in 3 different colors: emerald, black, and hibiscus, which is like a pink color. This one comes with lock screen ads, so you can get it without. You can pay to have the lock screen ads taken off. This weighs 11.88 ounces. So those are a few of the specs, features, and details. Let's go ahead and get this sticker off here. If I can see this. So they got away from the wedge-shaped boxes that they used to have a long time ago and went with this style of box. And I think I like this a little bit better. But the packaging looks the same on the inside. They have this little cardboard thing here. Now, these tablets are, these are not going to be, these are just for, like I said, for watching movies, Netflix, Amazon, stuff like that, Prime Video and stuff like that. You're not going to get, these are not powerhouse tablets. And I'm glad they kind of increased the RAM on these a little bit. So in the packaging, you're going to get a hello brochure here that's quite sure is going to tell you everything that you need to know. Meet your Fire HD8, activate the Fire HD8, explore the Fire HD8, charge your Fire HD8. So everything you need to know, and it's color coordinated as well, which is nice. You're going to get your charging cable, USB-C to USB-A right there, and then you get a little charging brick as well right there. So here's the tablet. Let's go ahead and get this open. Now, like I said, these tablets are just good for doing simple things, reading, watching Prime Video and stuff like that. And right off the bat, man, I like the way the back of this has a textured feeling to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very nice. So it's going to be not so slippery. Good size, small tablet here. There's your 5 megapixel camera right there. The top, you got your 2 speakers here. This side, you're going to have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Type-C charging port, look like a LED indicator, volume up and down, and power. On the bottom, you got your micro SD card slot right here. And nothing on this side. And then this here, this is going to be your 8.3 LCD display and your 2 megapixel camera right there. So a nice size, feels good in the hand. Let's go ahead and see if it has any power. Now, you are going to have some bezels going around here. That's a given right there. And the camera is in landscape mode as well. So that's the boot up, as you guys see here. That's boot up, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my information in, then I'll come right back and we'll take a look at the interface. All right, guys, so I have the tablet set up. This is what a lock screen ad looks like right here. Just briefly there for a few seconds. Now, you can pay to have this removed. I just choose not to. Just there for a few seconds, as long as you're on your lock screen. So no big deal to me. So getting into the tablet, this is what it looks like here. Very nice looking. The colors look decent on it. It's not washed out for the screen resolution, 1280 by 800. I thought it would be much more pixelated, but I guess for this size of display, it's perfect. So you got some bezels here to help to hold on. I guess they could have went a little bit bigger. Does make it look old school, but overall, everything looks great here. So this is your home page right here. You got a search bar up here. You can search by voice as well. You got stuff that you were doing before. You guys see I was on the videos for YouTube. That's a web app. I opened up the Files app as well. And then they got some Discover stuff here that they recommend. So also on here, you got all your Amazon stuff here. Shop Amazon. You can go in right away, start shopping. Silk browser. You got the Amazon App Store right here. Now, you got a lot of decent stuff in here, but it's not as robust as the Google Play Store, but you guys can find a lot of titles and stuff in here. There's Roblox. You got, just different stuff in here that you can find. Guys see right there, Peacock, Paramount, stuff like that, Pluto TV. So it's just not as robust as the Google Play Store, which I'm planning on side loading. You can load that as well. You see the display is kind of glossy as well. Prime Video, Amazon Kids. You got a utilities folder here with your weather, clock, calendar, contacts, calculator, and stuff like that. You're going to have Kindle, audio books right here, Amazon Music, photos. You got a Files app right here as well, which is nice to have on there. You got your camera right there, and of course settings. You stroll this way, you got a search bar still up there. You got all your library, continued downloads, and my playlist. So this is what's under the all right here. As you guys see, Audible, songs and things like that here. You can go to watch, and this is going to be all of your streaming stuff here, watching movies and videos and stuff like that. You got your game section here. You can jump into a quick game. You got your books. Now this will download your books and stuff like that. Should populate with mine. And then you got your music right here as well. So going back over, we're going to go to the drop down. This is your notification center right here. You can manage that as well. Then you go into your quick toggles here. You can adjust the brightness there. You got your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode. I can put this in dark mode, but the display is so glossy. I'm leave it in the light mode right now. Device, dashboard. You can cancel the portrait mode there. Blue shade, stream mirroring. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
The current weather is 59 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 61 degrees and a low of 41 degrees.
All right, as you guys see, that works perfectly. Do not disturb, low power mode, storage. Let's see how much out of the box. I only download one app on here, so 1.33 gigabytes used out of the 25.62. This is 32 gigabytes, so I'm assuming the rest of it have been used by the system. Let's go back to the drop-down menu again. Over here, you're going to have stream record, and you can adjust the font size. So let's go into the full settings menu here. See what all we got, your apps and notifications there. You can manage that kind of stuff there. You're going to have show mode. Now, this is where you can set up for this to display a clock, cycle through your pictures and stuff, display the weather, stuff like that. With the show mode, you got your display settings there, security and privacy, my account, profile, and family. So this is where you can have other people assigned to this tablet, They don't have to go into your part of the tablet. They can have their own password. You can share this tablet, in other words, right there. Got accessibility, device options, so you can change the name of it. You can adjust the keyboard and language. You got system navigation, which I'm going to go in and change this from the 3 buttons down here at the bottom to the gestures. 3 buttons shouldn't be even on these tablets anymore, in my opinion. Some people may like them. Backup, system updates. This is running the Fire HD. This is about, and then you got device sync. So that is pretty much it on as far as the settings right there. You can also have multiple windows open at one time. So if I wanted to split screen this, I can go in and split screen. We're going to go over here and split screen with the Files app. So as you guys see, 2 apps open at the same time right there. You can resize these. So not bad for, $50, $54. So I'm going to open up YouTube. We'll listen at the speakers right quick. All right, guys, so I have one of my videos pulled up. We can listen at the speakers right quick and take a look at the display quality. So the max volume on the speakers, not too bad. I would recommend that you face them up like the camera is. That way you don't cover them up. But you got a glossy display here as well. But we're talking $54, $55, so not bad at all. They sound great to me. So not bad for this tablet, man. For $54, like I said before, $55, you get a lot out of this. You can sideload the Google Play Store if you want to get more out of it. You can split stream, and looks good, man. It's gonna be worth it to throw, pick it up, leave it sitting by the couch, give it to your grandkids or your parents or something like that, or use it for yourself. Throw it in your bag, download you some movies on a flight or something like that. This be cool. So this is my unboxing and impressions of the Amazon Fire HD8 2024 12th edition. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.